Okay, good morning po folks. It's a good Friday morning for basketball action for the PLBL Basketball League. Ito ba ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar, headed by Coach Ryan and company, also powered by QFBL Pool of Referees. We're here live right now sa Arab School number 1 in Al Sadd to witness na basketball action between Taiser team in white and Boss Pau Dribblers in blue and black combination. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Ito po, first quarter action. First quarter action na po tayo mga kababayan. This host with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you to deliver blow by blow action po sa basketball na ito. And sit back and relax po and watch the show. To uncover now between Boss Pau Dribblers in blue and in white po is Taiser team. Ito na po tayo mga kababayan. Taiser team versus Boss Pau Dribblers. Let's get it on. Ayan na. Good morning po. Salamat sa 2 million viewers po right now. Nanonood po ngayon. It's a good Friday morning. Friday basketball action. Headed by QFBL Pool of Referees po to maintain the order of this game. And this is your PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Hindi naman alamat na sa legend, pero mga alamat sa young at heart. Ito na po tayo. Okay, traditional shake hands po for both teams. First set action, the first quarter action headed by Densho and company, and also sa Boss Pau Dribblers naman, si Boss Amada and company. Eto na. Okay. First quarter action.
Okay, ready? Umpisahan na natin yan.
Slow connection. Sige po mga kabayan. Ito po. Okay. Won by Taiser. Taiser. 3 points hits. Stop! Teka lang po.
Teka lang.
May ano.
Rep. Lapit. Rep, lapit.
Okay, may
Rep, lapit.
ay, pakot pala. Sir.
Ayun,
Nakalipit tayo.
Siya lang mismo kumuha.
Yeah, yan na yung lighting condition.
Sige, touch dapat.
Higpit kasi sa ilaw eh. Pero siya, ano natin ba? Ano po tayo?
Okay naman sir.
Okay naman siya. Kita yung boss ko, rin yung bosses ko. Kasi okay, ito na. Okay, backing bailers automatic po yun. And Modesto to Amada. Amada driving, layup niya, pasok ang bola kay Amada kagad. Amada, pasok ang bola. Ito po ngayon po ang Taiser team, number 19. Setting the pace, noon si Densho. Densho driving. To Guild State, number 5. And 2 points. Taiser. The score is 2-all. 2-all po tayo. 2-all. At may 9 minutes 37 seconds remaining.
Sige, laro mo lang. Live tayo.
Okay, nakalive po tayo. Amada dictating the pace. Amada. Pops up. Nope. Rebound the number 24. And still by number 5. Number 19. 2 points. 2 points, number 19.
Live ball ba?
Okay, Amada.
May violation.
Number 25. Maliit kasi. And Amada driving. Number 10, Modesto. Nope. Lost the ball. Number 6, 19 again. Leading the charge. To Densho. Densho pops up. Nope. Number 24 for the rebound. 24 for rebound to Amada. Amada driving. And it's a foul called.
Teka lang, yung bola natin. Foul number 19. Dalawa 19 natin ha. Sino ba 19? Okay.
Number 19, Vidal called for the foul.
Ingay naman to cellphone na to eh. Hello?
Hello, Mr. President. Yes. Okay, ito po tayo ngayon. Salamat po sa first viewer po na po. Good morning po. You're watching right now PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. We're here live na sa Arab School number 1 in Al Sadd to witness the first game for the day between Taiser in white and Boss Pau Dribblers in blue and black combination. This shows with you, Arvin G Vlogs with you feeling po kay Kanoy P. Vlogs po sa kanyang user spot po to deliver blow by blow account po sa larong po ito. Yan. Okay, mukhang kine-check pa yung bounce ng bola. Okay, Amada for the inbound to number 25 ng Bospal Dribblers. And Amada driving, nasa ilalim, dukot sa ilalim, pasok ang bola kay number 24, dinukot lang sa ilalim, pasok. Okay, number 19 again.
Deadlock tayo.
Deadlock po tayo at 4-all at 8 minutes remaining for the first quarter action.
Number 19.
Number 19, pops up. Nope. Number 2 for the rebound. Nandiyan si Amada, picking the pace. Modesto.
Makukunin kaya?
Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Nice shot by Modesto. Number 19. Number 19. Pops up for 3. Nope. Number 19. Vidal for the rebound. And it's a foul called by the referee.
Foul number
Foul number 23. Okay, sa inbound pool number 19 ng Tyser team. Number 5, pops up for 3. Nope. Again, rebound pa rin, number 5. Pops up, no pa rin. Number 19. 21. Number 19, Vidal. Kick pass to Dencio. Dencio pops up. 3-second violation.
Violation yan, sabi ni Rep.
Shoutout po kay Aniceto Mingo. Mingao Jr. Amada. Mataas ang pasa. Number 18.
Number
Pista.
25.
Pops up. 3 points. Number 25.
4.
Number 25. 3 points. Slow connection. Sige lang. Tsaga tayo muna. Mamalo lang. Babagal na connection nyo dito. Okay. Number 19. Pops up. And Amada going and gone. Ako, hindi. Hindi luwa ng bola. Mali pala.
Wala.
Nice rebound. Di number 5. Number 5. Giyoyo pang bola. Hindi pa rin.
By foul na nakita.
It's a foul call by the referee.
Time out.
Time out by Guild State.
Pastor, sino time out? Sino foul? Number 18.
Hindi na puta nahulog.
Ganun naman talaga yan.
Ano natin muna. Sorry.
Ewan ko ba, bakit hindi nito yan?
Hulog kasi.
Ilo ka ba na? Kapag na nahigpit na nila. Ay, hindi ito. Ay, ganun pati.
9-4 ang ating score. Okay, back to the ball game.
Baba mo na nga tayo. Yung. Sensya na po, medyo na lang. Okay, ready na.
Bravo. To number 3. So number 5.
Okay, number 5. Nakuha almost. No sa ball. It's no, it's offensive foul call kay number 5 na
Number 5.
ng Guild State. Ay, sorry, ng Tyser team. Okay. Amada. Number 5, Tagle. Tagle pala, Tagle. And number 24, pops up for 3. Malakas ang konti. Number 7 po. Ito na po tayo yun. Number 19, kick pass to number 5. Foul!
Foul number 1.
Foul number 1.
Substitution rep.
Okay, sabi ng Robert Dizon watching from Abunaclag. Good morning po sir. Shout out po sir ha. And thank you for watching us po. Just host with your Arvin G Vlogs po. And feeling po kay Kanoy P Vlogs po. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Okay, back to sa action. Number 19, Dencio. 21, pops up. Pasok ang bola.
Yes, sir.
Pasong bola kagad kay Dencio. The score is 4-9. Lamang pa rin po na 5 ang Bospal Dribblers. Amada. Dinukot sa ilalim. Pasok ang bola. Okay, gets good. 6-11 ang score po natin at 6 minutes remaining for the first quarter
6-11
action.
ang ating score.
Guild State number 5. Number 19 sa ilalim. Nice interception. Nakuha muli. Balik muli po ang bola.
Number 5, pass to
Number 19 kay Vidal. Pops up. Wala.
Wala.
And
Save ball yan. Substitution rep.
okay, sabi ng referee po, black ball.
Rep, lapit rep. Rep.
Okay, call
Save ball tayo.
over rule.
Substitution.
Save ball po daw pala, sabi na po
Ayan, pasok.
ng isang referee po.
Sapa.
Number 5 sa ilalim, power
Bravo.
move. Ayun, si number 4. Nako, na rebound. Di Bondesto. And now to Amada. Amada leading the charge. Amada. Number 15. Palpal ng konti. Nice inter. Nako po eh. Okay, same ball. Same ball. Ticer ball po tayo. Ticer ball. Iniwas ko lang po. Pasensya na. Iniwas ko yung camera po natin. Arroyo. Number 5.
Binababa bola.
Number 5, driving. Number 7, for
Bravo,
3. Wala.
Wala.
Tencho for the rebound. Number 6, Arroyo.
Number 8, pass to
Lost the
number
ball. Number 19 for and it's a foul called the number 7.
Foul number 7.
Foul number 7 for the Taisir
Substitution
team.
rep.
Substitution po. Number 18 out para kay number 13 ng Boss Pau Dribblers. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Number 5 leading the charge. And it's a foul called on Mr. Amada.
Foul
Number 5.
Penalty tayo.
Penalty situation for Boss Pau Dribblers. Boss Pau Dribblers penalty situation, mga kababayan. Good morning po. It's a good Friday morning for Friday basketball action. This is your host with you, Arvin G. Vlogs. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. The Legends League. We're here live right now sa
Second free throw.
Arab School number 1 in Al Sadd to witness the first game for the day between Boss Pau Dribblers in black and in white po is Taisir basketball team. Pops up, nope. Niyoyo muna, Disho pass intercepted. Densyo, nagmamadali. Densyo.
Paso
Number 5, gone.
Bitawan ang bola.
Pasok ang bola kay number 5.
Dalawa na lang.
Amada.
Pass to 19.
19.
Number 19.
To Amada. Driving, power move, kinaliwa, pasok. Gumamit pa ng pectus. Nice shot by Amada.
13-8 ang ating score.
Okay, 13-8 po score po natin yun.
Bravo.
38 pops up for 3. Dilabas pa rin. Nakuha niya Amada ang bola. Still completed. Going and gone. 9:15 at 3 minutes 18 seconds remaining for the first quarter action. Ito pang PLBL.
Pass to Bravo.
Bravo, pops up, nope.
Pangatlong tira na sa Trisyon.
Nice rebound by Tagle, Amada. Number 19. Nako, nawala ang bola, sayang. Sayang. Bravo. Arroyo pops up, fade away jumper, boarding sana. And one, no, hindi pala.
Kita yan.
Push.
Substitution rep.
Substitution made now. This time si Dr. X pumasok na. Si Ruizo. Mr. X, Dr. X pumasok. Ang kanyang 3-point specialist, pinasok na po nila ngayon.
Consistent natin.
Number 13 to Ruizo. Number 13 again. Number 19 pops up for 3. In line, pasok. Online. In line na, online pa, pasok. Okay. Arroyo. Number 19. 16 rather. Densyo, Bishop pass, nope. Stripped away.
Pinababa bola.
Number 35. Number 19.
19.
21. Nakuha ni Densyo ang bola.
Pinababa bola.
Going in. Nice interception by Tagle.
Di ang kasano yun.
Nice interception ni Tagle. Nice D. Good morning po sa manonood
1
right
minute
now.
and 45 seconds.
Arroyo, number 6.
Para sa ating first.
Number
quarter.
5, pops up for 3. No.
Wala.
And it's pushing foul called.
Extension. Number 1. Sino ba? Number 12.
Number 12 called for a foul. It's a pushing foul.
Penalty tayo ha.
Penalty situation. Densyo shooting for 2. Okay, shoutout po sa ating mga sponsors po right now. First shot ni Densyo, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Pangalawa.
Pasok pa rin. Pasok pareho.
Number
11-18 ang score po natin at 1 minute 34 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter action. Nakuha ni Arroyo. Dinukot pa. Pasok ang bola. Laman po ng 5 na po ang Boss Pau Dribblers.
Number 13.
Boss Pau Dribblers live 5-point lead remaining.
Back to number 13.
30, nope. Eto na.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Tama ko sino ka? Ayaw talaga, tumira.
Hoy. Naligaw lang sir, naligaw lang. Okay, balik tulo sa Boss Pau Dribblers ang bola. Boss Pau Dribblers again, dribbling the ball away. 1 minute remaining. 13-18 na score po natin.
Paso
Number 12, Ruizo.
Number 12, back to number 19.
Almost stole the ball, still completed. It's a foul.
Si number 19. Penalty.
Okay. This free throw is brought to you by, of course, Boss Gio Pares, ang parisan ng bayan dito sa Qatar. Available po yun ang mga sarap Pares po nila. Available po yan. And they're located always po beside Montasa Park in Doha. Boss Gio Pares, ang parisan dito sa Qatar. Eto na.
Yun, basket.
Basket made, it's good.
$45
45 seconds remaining. 42 seconds, 40 seconds, number 15. And one play made. And that and one play made is brought to you by Hookup Qatar. Yan po, Hookup at para po yan. Ang shop po, available ang they're located always po sa Al-Sad area in Doha. Hookup Qatar. Ito na po yan, Hookup Qatar. Number 15 shooting for 2. Pasok! Ay, rather, bonus free to pasok. That's why now, ang score po natin is 14-21.
35 seconds.
35 seconds remaining. 7 pa kalamangan pa ng Boss Pau Dribblers. Sinigaw si Ruizo. Number 5. Pops up for 3. Sa wakas, pumasok. Okay, 3 points. Number 5, pasok ng Taisir. 18 seconds remaining. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. Nope. Malakas. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. And 1 play. This is your PLBL Basketball League. Any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Ito ang PLBL Basketball League. Okay, standby po tayo mga kapatid sa first, sa second quarter action. A word from sponsors this time around from Hookup Qatar, 3 John's Barbershop, Fashion Culture, Imprint Advertising, Pure Market, HV Kicks, Jed Vlogs, Facebook of course, ang aking mother league, Sir Coach, JPX TV, JPX ang sa Kalam, Winak sa Par, Don't Get Out From My House Without Wearing It, Katat sa Music Support by G. Ranyada, MC Kago, ang yung padala ay safe at sigurado, MC Kusi, ang yung panlasa ay laging sigurado, Kanoy Vlogs, and many more.
Okay.
Standby po
Back to the
tayo
ball
sa
game.
second quarter action.
Matandaan yung bus.
Saan ang track? Nasaan ang track?
Sa inyo.
Second quarter action about to start. Salamat po sa pagsama sa amin po. Mr. Ruizo for the inbound ng Boss Pau Dribblers. Ito muna natin. Okay, game. Okay, second quarter action. This time si Mr. Arroyo, number 6. Arroyo, number 6 for the inbound. Okay, second quarter, start. Guild State, number 5.
Number 5.
Driving, niyoyo pa, walang foul. Kick pass kay Ruizo. Nice one by Ruizo. Nice foul, nice one by Ruizo. Binali pa. Parang Dr. X talaga.
Number 16.
Number 16, Jason pass, pass.
Kanya pa rin ang bulan.
Isa pa, and it's a foul.
Foul number 14.
Foul number
15.
14.
Number 5. Pass to number 16. Oy, nagilawan.
Okay, nabitaan po. And now this time 18 driving.
Number 8.
And nakuha ni Denchu sana. Sayang.
Symbol pa rin tayo.
Okay, ito po tayo.
Number 8. Kanya pa rin bulan.
8, number 15, short stab. Nakuha ni Dencho, power rebound. Number 5. Nakuha and Dencho for the rebound. Bang!
2 points.
Short stab ni Dencho, pasok. 23-21. Dalawa po na lang laman po ng Boss Pau Dribblers. Number 12, Rizzo. Nope. Number 10.
Number 10 yan. Hoy! Record tayo. Substitution tayo rin. Sub. Sige.
Okay, number 5 for the inbound to number 19 again.
Number 19.
Number 7.
Number 7.
Number 19, pops up, and si Dencho na naman. Number 5, nag-press. Pasok ang bola! Nice shot by number 5. Lamang na naman. Okay, na-change paper po tayo ngayon. This time around now, thanks sir now, Lindia Pack by 1.
Number 19, attacking the basket.
Desto.
Pass to number 5.
Number 8, Dioyo. Palpal ang number 7.
Bravo. Uy.
And it's a foul.
Foul number 5. Time out.
Time out na called.
Sorry.
Boss Pau Dribblers. Time out po, Boss Pau Dribblers. This is your PLBL Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. This is we're live here right now sa the sunny and little warm Arab School number 1 in Doha. Ayan. Nag-time out po. The score is so far po,
Okay.
24-23 at 7 minutes 39 seconds remaining. 24-23. Laman po ang tie-sira po ng
Hey,
isa.
back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po muli tayo. Back to the ball game muli po tayo mga kababayan. Okay. Number 5 ng Taisir for the inbound. Received by number 19. Number 19. Number 19 again to number 5. Number 7. 7 scaling. Number 5. Ayun, nakuha na pa number 7. Nice one. Kiniluwa. Kiniluwa pa. Pasok ang bola. Yes, sirree. Okay. Number 8 po tayo. Bondesto. Pops up for 3. Pasok ang bola. Binawi kagad. Tabla muli tayo. Tablados 26. 7 minutes remaining. Second quarter action.
Number 21.
Nice stripped away. Again, Denso. Sayang.
Foul number 10. Pushing foul.
Pushing foul called on number 10. Denso per shot. Pasok. Okay, balik ulit kalamangan po po sa ano. And also this free is brought to you by Kanoypi Vlogs. Noypi lang ang sa kalam. Okay, basket made.
Substitution rep.
The score is 28-26. Laman po ng dalawa ang Taisir team. Colored white. Now Amada, General Kane Bako ready. Ang kanyang armada.
26.
Armada. Lost the ball almost.
Number 18.
Nako, wala pinasahan. Nice recovery and good ball.
Good job. Good.
Good ball. Amada.
Number 5. Pass to
Pops up for
number
3.
15.
No. Whoo!
Oy. Teka lang. Good call yan, good call. Away. May away, good call yan.
Okay, foul po. Nahawakan kasi holding foul po tinawag. Number 19. Number 5 pops up for 3. No. Nakuha ni Amada ang bola. Nagmamadali bigla. Amada, dish of pass. Number 18. Yung sa ilalim, dinukot. And one play made.
White foul, wala kita sa red doon. Basket, foul number 5.
Foul number 5.
Substitution rep. Number 5. That is your second personal foul.
This bonus free throw is brought to you by MC Cuisine. Ang ayong aming panlasa ay laging sigurado. MC Cuisine, kami pa available po yan. Located po sa Alsad area, in John Station area, in Doha. MC Cuisine, ang aming panlasa ay laging sigurado. Take the best tasting pastel in town. Kaya po yan ng MC Cuisine.
21, pass to number 7.
7 pops up. Yes, sir. Number 7, 3 points. Bondesto.
Number 18, ang target na basket.
Sayang. Binuot lang ang bantay.
Foul number 3. Number 3 yan.
Foul number 3. This free throw is brought to you by Maharlika Cargo. Ang iyong padala ay laging sigurado. Maharlika Cargo.
Sige.
Second free throw ni number 18. Pasok pareho.
Time out.
And the timeout called by Taisir. Timeout Taisir.
Tidak, ulitin na lang natin. Parehas lang naman ang score eh.
Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang Pinoy Legends Basketball League, ang liga namang alamat dito sa Qatar. Any teams want to join our league, just visit the event page for details. PLBL, ang liga namang alamat dito sa Qatar. PLBL Basketball League. Teka lang po ha. Wipe muna tayo. Wipe. Okay. Yun, luminaw ng konti. Okay. Number 19, 5 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Number 19,
Number 19.
scaling. Against Amada.
Nasa number
Denso.
21.
Nag-power move ni Denso. Pilit-pilit ang kalaban.
Power move yun para kay number 21.
Pasok ang bola. 33-31. Ang score po natin yun.
33-31 ang ating score.
Sorry po, sorry, hindi po na ano. Number 19 naman, counter power move ang ginamit.
Palitan.
Balikan, bawian ng ginawa nila. 33 all, tablado sa naman tayo sa 33.
Pang-apat na linlock na to.
Please like, share, and subscribe po and invite your friends to join our league.
Number 19.
To join our game always, to watch the game always. And sobra po ng konti. And nakuha po ni Vidal. Nakuha ni number 19. Pop sa for 3. Wala. Vidal. Nope. Modesto. Modesto to Amada. Amada driving. Number 15. Yun yung bola. Pasok ang bola.
Yes, sir.
Intercepted almost by number 7. Driving. Euro step. Hindi po pumasok. Nice block. Nice D. Modesto, power move muli. Pasok ang bola. Okay, balik po nyo sa kalamangan po sa post-pod Drillbers 33-37. Apat na po ang kanilang kalamangan. Posted already. Number 19, number 7.
Number 7.
Number 7, and pops up. Wala.
Wala. Lagyan pa ng bola.
Isa pang beses. No, hindi. Nakuha ni Amada naman ang bola. And, up.
Oops. Relax lang tayo. Double call na yan, double call na.
Okay, chill lang po tayo guys. Chill lang po tayo.
Okay, 21.
Okay, chill lang po tayo guys. Chill lang. This is only a game guys.
Sabi na siya red.
Sabo na po. Number 19, Vidal out para kay number 16.
21 tapos si 10.
Okay, balik po tayo sa laro po natin. Amada for the inbound. Okay, Amada. And also, coming up po after two, on the third game po natin, first finals action between F1 and Boleros. Yan. Okay, the score right now is 39-33. A 6-point lead been posted already by Boss Pau Dribblers.
Number 19. May napapabola. Pass na number 16.
Number 6, Albania.
Number 16.
Albania. Number 7.
Number 7.
Albania again, number 16. Albania.
Number 16.
Number
Back to
7.
number 7. Number
And
7.
pass number 3. Wala, kapos ng konti. And Amada for the inbound.
Rebound by number
23. 23 to Amada. And number 7 intercepted. Still completed by Taisir. Driving. It's a foul committed by Amada.
Foul by number 5. Substitution red.
Foul number 5 by Amada.
Warning. Apat.
Warning for penalty po ang Boss Pau Dribblers. Number 19 ng Taisir for the inbound. Okay, ito po tayo yun. Number 19, fadeaway shot. Nope.
Wala pa rin.
Nakuha ni Amada ang bola. Amada, driving. Number 24, pasok ang bola.
Para kay number 24.
Nice one by number 24.
Number 21.
Number 21, and reaching fouls from behind. Nakita ni referee.
Foul
Number 24 called.
24.
Number 24 called for the foul. Free throws coming up. Dahil penalty po sila. This free throws brought to you by Trigens Barbershop. The only 100% Pinoy-owned barbershop dito po sa Qatar. Available in 3 branches po yan. 1 in Al-Sad, 1 in Mansura, and 1 in Madina Khalifa area. Trigens Barbershop. 100% Pinoy para sa mga Pinoy. Okay. Number 21.
Pangalawa.
Densyo. Second throw. Wala. Sayang. 34-41, a 7-point lead. Team posted by Boss Pau Dribblers. Number 24. Ginamit ang boarding. Hindi po. Nakuha ni Amada ang bola. One more time. Easy basket. Sumusobre, no? Easy basket. Number 19.
Number 19. Pinababa bola. Number 19.
Number 19.
Sitting
Pops up for
Boloy.
3. Nope. Nakakuha ni Dencio. Power move. Pinasa muna palabas. One more time. Number 19. Nakalusot. Nakalusot. Nandun sa ilalim. Dinukot si Dencio muna. Extra pa. Sayang. 24. 2 points. Number 24.
Isa lang siya doon.
2 minutes remaining. 10 po kalamangan ng Boss Pao dribblers.
Umayan. Siguro yan.
Number 19.
Number
Dencio.
21.
Nice shot. Nilabas lang.
Number 5.
Amada, number 18. Wala pa rin.
Uy, wala.
Amada, nakawala sa kiniliwa. Pasok ang bola. Okay, Arcelo Mingao is watching also. Shout out po sa sir. David is watching. Slow connection. 6. The score is 34-47. A 13-point lead been posted already by Boss Pao dribblers. Amada shooting. And this free throw was brought to you by, of course, Fashion Culture. Yan. Fashion Culture po yan. Fashion Culture. Okay. Number 7. Number 7 po for the inbound.
Game guy.
Okay,
1 minute and 30 seconds.
number 19 driving up si Daisy. It's a foul called.
Foul number 19.
Foul on number 19 ng
Penalty
Boss
tayo,
Pao
penalty.
reverse penalty situation. And this free throw is brought to you by Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. Number 19. First
Pangalawa.
shot, hindi pa pumasok. Pa-shoutout po dyan. Eh, sabi rito ni Bontes, panay shoot ni Amada. Magaling na bata kasi, kaya panay shoot siya. Okay, nilabas muna po si Amada.
35.
Okay, ito na po tayo. And stolen away. Number 5. Wow, wraparound pass. Sayang.
Sayang.
Wraparound drive. Sayang. 24 again. Short stab. Malakas. Number 19. Naka-rebound. 19. Dencio pass to Dencio.
Number 21.
Uy, sakas.
Talaga naman.
Lumabas.
Ayaw talaga pumasok.
Number 10, nilabas muna. Okay, ano muna daw?
Yun.
Number 19 for 3. Kapos. Okay. Tagle and the drive. And stolen away by number 5. Number 5 for the drive. 2 points, number 5. Basket.
37-48 ang ating score.
Labing isa lang po kalamangan po ng Boss Pao dribblers in 30 seconds remaining.
30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Robert Dixon is already watching also. And LA Kyle is already watching. Wala kapos. And it's a foul.
May foul yan nakita si Rem.
Foul ng
Foul
referee po.
number 23. 19 seconds left.
19 seconds remaining. Shooting for 2 si Dencio. Brought to you by Pure Market. Pure Market.
Number 23, that is your second personal foul.
Second person pa Pure Market po.
First
Brought to you
again.
by Pure Market.
Basket yan.
Abel po yung kanilang mga
30.
daily deals po for all kinds of brands sa kanilang mga products. Pure Market. And now to Dencio again.
Pangalawa.
Pasok
Basket
pareho.
yan.
Okay. Lamang ng siyam ang Boss Pao dribblers.
15 seconds.
Franklin Alipala is watching also. Coach Alipala, where are you now? And good luck po sa
10
championship
seconds.
ni Mamia. Number 1, nope. Rebound ni number 7. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. Catch and shoot. Okay, that's it. End of the first half. The score is 39-48. Lamang po ang Boss Pao dribblers. Ito po ang yung PLBL Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league, Just visit the FB page for details. PLBL, ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo sa second half action between Bospao Drillbirds and Taisir basketball team. And shoutout po pala sa QFBR Pool of Referees. Shoutout po sa inyo. This is also part of by QFBR Pool of Referees po, headed by Coach Homer and Company. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo sa third quarter action between Bospao Drillbirds and Taisir.
Okay, sige, tuloy na natin. Oh, blue. Blue tayo, blue. Pusbaw, pusbaw.
Tayo.
Okay, change court na po tayo. This time blue now.
Number 25.
Wilson on that attack.
Paso 19, 19.
Nope. 23 power move. Pasok ang bola.
Ikaw sa number 23.
23 power move. Pasok.
Number 23. Paso number 1, number 1.
Pasok na naman. Number 1.
Lumalayo. 50-39 ang ating score.
Naipit. Foul. It's called for a foul.
Yan.
Nakita ni boss referee.
Foul number 1. Pushing foul. Number 1, pangalawa.
Foul number 1. Pushing palpot. Foul number 1. Free throws coming up.
Top free throw para
Of
kay
course,
number 7.
participe ng Qatar Supplementary Sports Record of Mr. Z. Ranyada. Uniforms of all kinds of shape and sizes. Available po yan ng Qatar Supplementary Sportswear.
Pangalawa.
Second throw, wala pa rin po. 39.52. Lamang po na labing
Hindi
tatlo
may
ang kalatan.
sinabang.
Medyo sinara. Number 25, Ruizo for 3. Nope. Nakuha ni number 19 ang bola. Number 19, number 7, driving, stripped away. Ruizo, naiwan mag-isa. Ruizo, pasok ang bola kay Ruizo.
That's good. Yan ang tawag sa Kocha.
Nice one, number 19. Nice one by number 19. Bumawi lang si number 19. Okay, balik po muli tayo. Number 25. Pinagpapahinga si Amada. 25. Bautista to Manabat for 3.
23.
Over the back. Over the back, over the back.
Zero 3, pinababa bola.
Sige, 0-3, 0-3. 0-3. Driving.
Pass to number 5.
Good save, number 5, number 16. Number 5.
Number 5.
Pops up. Nope. And
Ay, may hawak
it's a
na.
foul. Holding foul called by the
Hawak.
referee.
Kita ni ref.
Nakita ni boss referee.
Si number 23.
Okay, eto na po. Number 5. Grabbing. Position. Nope. Number 6. And black ball. Okay, overruled. Overruled po ni referee. Overruled, overruled. Overruled. Call overruled. Technical called. Excessive complaining. Technical foul called sa bench ng Boss Pau Dribblers.
Bench decorum tayo.
Bench decorum daw po tinawag po ng referee. Whole bench po ng Boss Pau Dribblers na technical po. This free is brought by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Yan po ang Winax Apparel. Winax Apparel. Basket made. 42-54. Labang po ng dalawa. And substitution made also.
Time out.
And timeout na called also by Taisir. Taisir called for the timeout. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Okay, naka-timeout po tayo ngayon. Nag-time po ang Taisir po. Ang score po natin is 42-54. Laman po ng
Okay, back to the
12 ang Boss Pau Dribblers.
Boss Pau, may tatlong timeout pa. Coach Libby, may dalawang timeout pa ba?
Okay. Boss Pau may tatlong timeout pa daw and Taisir po may dalawang timeout pa.
Hey!
Eto na.
Number
16. Pops up.
16.
Nope.
Wala rin mo, Bravo.
Number 7. No pa rin. Power move. And lost the ball. Same ball.
Same ball tayo. Same ball.
Same ball, same ball, same ball. Same ball po tayo mga kababayan. I hope you're enjoying the show right now. This is your first game for the day. Ng PHBL po. Number 16. Driving. It's a foul called. Who's foul? Number 12, Rizzo called for a foul, and this free throw is brought to you by, of course, ang ating kilala po ito, JPX TV.
Number 16.
Number 16, nope.
Wala pa rin.
Ruizo, naka-rebound. Ruizo. Number 25,
Pass to number 25.
Driving.
Number 25.
number 18, fadeaway shot. That is Ruizo. Pasok ang bola.
Hindi naman talaga.
Talagang Dr. X talaga.
56.
Dr. X. Michelle.
Number 5. Number 5. Lugdo.
Michelle is watching already. Also, shoutout po sa inyo.
Number 18. Pinapapamula sa
Okay, and number 5, Guild State. Kiniluwa pa, malakas ang konti. Number 7, hoop shot, malakas. Number 16, dinukot, pasok.
Gigil, nagigigil.
Medyo sa bench po, medyo mas malalim ang Boss Pau Dribblers.
Basket yan.
And basket made, 25, 3 points.
Number 25.
The score is 44-59. Lamang na po ang Boss Pau Dribblers. Ruizo. Pops up there for 3. Nope. Kapos. Airball.
Substitution rep.
Airball. Okay, si
Number
Dencho
21,
pinasok po
number
na.
16 out.
Tsaka si Vidal pinasok na rin.
19, number 7 out.
Pero so si Ruizo nalabas muna para kay number 15.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go sa go. Tara na. Okay, 6 minutes, 30 seconds remaining of the third quarter action. Ito pang
6
PLBL.
minutes and 21 seconds left. From
Number 19, nope. Number 25. Nice pass kay Bondesto. Traveling violation
Traveling
yan.
violation doon na nakita sa rep.
Traveling without proper documents is an offense. Kaya traveling violation. Okay. Number 5.
Number 5. Pinapapamura. Kaso number
19.
Kaso number 21.
Dencho, pumalo ng dos. Nope. Rebound di Vidal. And lost the ball. Lost the ball. Lost the ball po. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League. Shoutout po sa ating manonood po right now. Habang
Number 25.
samahan nyo po kami. 5 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Up. Double foul committed.
Tama lang yan, nagigiriran, nagagawa yung dalawa dyan eh. Nagigirian eh. Ha?
Double
19
foul
tapos
committed.
Number 18.
Number 19
Tama lang
for
yan.
Guild State. Number 19 for Taisir and number 15 sa Boss Paul Dribblers. Double foul, tinawag. (25) 19 Nakapeke for 3. Pasok! 3 points. Number 19, 3 points. Tagle. Number 5, brother. Taisir, number 19. Dencio, 21. Dencio, scaling the defense. Number 19, pasok for 3. Bang! Si Reynoso. Bumawi. 47-62.
ang ating score.
Laman po ng 15 ang Boss Paul Dribblers.
Yeah, number 25. Number 25. mabawi
25.
din.
Pasok din. Binawi na naman.
Kailangan yung mga nanonood, may dalang bayaw, kumuha na ng tres.
Nice 3 points. Dencio sa ilalim. Pops up, fade away, nope. Nakuha number 6. Nakuha ni. Ayun, naiwan, 3-on-1 situation. Pasok ang bola. Tagle, 2 points. Tagle, 2 points. Sir, ang quarter na po natin po si third quarter na po, sir. Third quarter na po. 47 seconds score po natin. 4 minutes remaining. Nope.
Napupunta na para kay number 25.
Sa Sir John Paul Acuna, third quarter na po tayo, sir. First game pa lang ito. Nope.
Number 1, wala.
And it's a foul called.
Foul number 1. Substitution ref.
Foul number 1, substitution made po.
Penalty na tayo.
And penalty situation po tayo ngayon.
Number 1. That is your third personal foul.
Sir. Third personal foul po yan. Penalty situation. Ito pong free throws handog po ng, of course, JPX-TV. JPX-TV lang ang sakalam. Yan pang apparel post, grills, and many more. JPX-TV. All around po yan. Pangalawa, nope.
Tapos ng konti.
Nakuha ng number 25.
Number 25.
25.
Paso number 20. Paso number 25.
Number 25, muli. 25.
Number 18.
18, number 18. Pasok ang bola. Nice pass.
Ganda ng number 19.
Nice cut by number 19. Magaling.
69-48 ang ating score.
Number 5. Driving.
3 minutes and 25 seconds left para sa ating third quarter.
Number 19. Side step mo sa ilalim. Vidal. 21. Driving. Niyo yung bola. Kaposada.
Foul number 25.
Foul number 25. Dencio shooting for 2.
Number 25, first foul. Basket.
Of course, this free throws brought to you by PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga na masigat dito sa Qatar.
Ano po dalawa?
Available po tayo dyan every Tuesday night sa The Burning Season International School in Doha.
Basket yan, parehas. Basket rin.
Okay, full court press. 3 minutes remaining. Trap.
Number 8.
Trapping.
Pinababa bola.
Number 15.
25.
Lost the ball. And it's a foul goal.
Number 15.
Nice D.
Penalty.
Penalty situation. Shooting for 2.
Number
Si number
15, that is
5.
your second personal foul.
Penalty situation. Shooting for 2. Si number 5. Siyempre, this free throws brought to you by Jed Vlogs.
First free
Jet
throw.
Vlogs.
Basket yan.
Walk photography, and many more, and many more. Yan po mga footage po yan. Jet Vlogs po yan. Nice rebound. Nice reaching ni number 15. Number 19, driving. Nope. Intercepted. Number 7. Number 5. Nagmamadali. Number 5, turn around pass. Nope. Pero nakuha ng foul si number 5.
Number 5.
Wayne Lorenzo is already watching also. Siyempre, this sprint is brought to you by HB Kicks. Yan, from Jordan to LeBron's, HB Kicks has it all for you. HB Kicks. Okay, first shot, first shot, pumasok po, 51-69, 18 pong kalamangan po ng Boss Paul Dribblers. Second throw, pasok pareho. 52-69, 17 naman po ng Boss Paul Dribblers. Bondesto. Driving. Whoop! Nawala ang bola. Number 7. Number 7. Malalim. Okay, easy lang muna daw. Sabi nila, easy lang daw, easy.
Number 8, pinababang bola.
Bondesto, traffic. Pero may tawag.
Foul number 21.
Densyo, tinawagan po ng foul. Okay, corner inbound po tayo. Estrella for the inbound, number 10. Number 8. Number 19 against number 19 ng tanang ano? Number 15. Driving against number 15. Number 5 naman. Driving. Naku! Foul. Moto number 5. Ay, sorry. Foul number 5. Paul Soriano is already watching also sa ating PLBL day.
Number 5.
And this free is brought to you by Pure Market. Yan, Pure Market po yan.
Wala.
Daily deals po yan and many more sa kanilang store. That's Pure Market po. Siyempre, may Filipino food stop po dyan. Pag interesado po kayo, pumunta lang po kayo dyan. Pure Market po. Number 15, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pasok!
Basket niya. Substitution rep.
Substitution made. Number 23 in. Pinasok po sa Boss Paul Dribblers. Hey, Coach Dino, kamusta? Okay, number 5, Guild State. Number 7, number 5, 1 minute remaining, 1 minute 40 remaining, and same ball. Touch last by ICM team. Densyo, pasok ang bola. Nice jumper by Densyo. Nice jumper by Densyo.
Number 8, pinababang bola.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Binabantayan. May trap ng konti. Nakawala ang konti. Number 19. Number 15. Wala. Densyo, nakuha ang bola. Nakuha number 19. Number 5. Number 5. Uy!
Wala pa rin.
Okay, last touch by
1 minute and 10 seconds.
7. 1 minute 11 seconds remaining.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
9 seconds. 1 minute 9.
To shoot.
A minute remaining. Third quarter action. About to end. Nice shot.
Basket yan. 50 seconds.
Uy, hawi. Pero hindi. It's a foul. Pero protection lang.
Foul number 10.
Sabi ni referee, protection lang daw. Free throws coming up. Brought to you by, of course, Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. First shot, pasok ni number 19 ng Taisir. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Number 10, that is your third personal foul.
Short, nope.
Number 8.
Number 19, driving.
Number 10.
Piniyo yung bola, pasok bola.
Seconds.
15 seconds remaining. Taisir, go for the last shot.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. Atake na yan. Number 5. In line.
5 seconds.
Malakas. Okay, that's it. Ito po ang yung PLBL Basketball League. Standby po tayo sa fourth quarter action. This is your PLBL Basketball League. Any teams want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. PLBL Basketball League, ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Standby po tayo sa fourth quarter action. Poop, poop. Parang truck ah. Joke lang. Okay, fourth quarter action on the way. Fourth quarter action on the way po tayo. This time Amanda and Company versus Densho and Company. Still the same. Medyo malalim po kasi ang factor po dito. Napapansin po natin, medyo malalim po ang bench po ng post-po dribblers. Kaya medyo narorote po din ang tao po compared po sa Taisir team. Densho, Niyoyo, pasok! Nice shot! Shoutout naman sa Kume. Sabi ni Mr. Homer Balbin. Coach Homer, pa-shoutout din po sa kanya ng referee po. Yes sir. Shoutout po Sir Coach Homer. Leader po ng QPFR pull-up referees. Nice D by Densho. And it's a foul. It's a foul also. Okay, balik tayo. Okay.
14 to shoot.
Densho na naman, pasok.
Basket na naman yan para kay number 21.
Rep. Matitisod.
Number 5. Time out.
Timeout called. May tape ba tayo? May tape? Oo nga, maano kasi eh. Makatisod ang player yan. Pilay.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game po tayo mga guys. Back to the ball game po tayo yun. Okay. Boss pa dribblers. 8 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. Amada. Hop. Offensive foul called on Amada. Amada po, offensive foul. Ay. Offensive foul also. Offensive foul also number 18.
Number 19.
Number 19 rather. Offensive foul. Amado, umatake na naman. Ayun, sa ilalim. Hop! Traveling violation naman tinawag.
Traveling lang.
Dumikit yung bola. Nadikit yung bola. Okay, number 19 pops up for 2. Yes, sirree, by Vidal.
Basket.
Basket made by Mr. Vidal. 13, nagmamadali. 13. Against number 19 ng Taisir. Driving. Dito pass. Ako ni Vidal ang bola. Hop! It's a foul called.
Blocking foul by number 5. Number
number 5 called for
That
the
is a
foul.
fourth personal
Fourth
foul.
personal foul, number 5, warning na po
Fourth
siya.
personal foul.
Dapat natin ito po pag di sila ingat. Vidal
Mamaya.
to number 19. Against Samada. Number 7.
Number 7, pass
Number 19, De Quetelso.
Number 21, bola.
Dencio Nioyo, pasok ang bola.
Using the board yan, parang ka number 21.
Nice one by Dencio. Number 18, Bondesto.
Lumalapit.
Bondesto. Binabalik si Madi number 5. Ayan. Power move. Nope. One more time. Wala pa rin. Good ball. Ruizo. Pasok ang bola.
Basket. Foul number 7. Basket. Foul number 7. Number 7. Third personal foul.
Number 7 called for the foul.
Substitution left.
This free throw is brought to you by Fashion Culture. Yan ha. This free throw is brought to you by Fashion Culture Sportswear. Yan ha. Fashion Culture Sportswear. Yan. Okay, thank you. And balik po tayo. Ruizo for the bonus free throw. It's wala. Nakakuha ni number 19 ang bola. Number 19. Number 5. Number 19. Number 5 for 3.
Number
In
5.
line. Nope. Nakakuha ni Vidal. Power move ni Vidal. Wala pa rin. It's a foul.
Foul.
Foul, sabi ni referee, foul.
Foul number.
Foul number 7. Ruizo, may dalang bola. Hop! Same ball.
Si Bravo. Foul ni Bravo. 7. Tatlo.
Condesto, power move. Traveling violation.
Tatlo.
Number 7, number 7. Number 19, number 7, number 21, pops up, short stab. Pasok ang bola. Money in the bank. 68-76. Laman po ng 8 ang Boss Pau Dribblers. Storing the ball. Nagmamadali, number 7 to number 19. To kay Dencio, number 21. 21 driving.
Number 21.
Number 5, bangs it!
Yes, sir! Lumalapit!
Okay, 70-76 at 6 minutes. 6 minutes remaining ng fourth quarter action. Si Ruizo! Pasok ang bola kay Ruizo. Ruizo, pasok ang bola kay Ruizo. Okay, 8. 5 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Guild State. Number 7. Number 19. Scaling the job. Pasok ang bola. Don't look now. 5 na lang po yan. Sabi ng Taisir. Kumakatok pa pong Taisir. And stolen by again. Time out na call by Boss Pau Dribblers.
Boss Pau.
This is your PLBL Basketball League. Okay, good morning basketball fans. Ito po ang unang laro sa araw nito sa PLBL Basketball League between Taisir Basketball Team in white and black naman po is Boss Pau.
5 minutes remaining for the fourth and final quarter. 5 minutes. Both nagdalawa pa kayo time out.
After this game po will be between Janas Gumituyo and 3 John's Barbershop. Yan. Janas Gumituyo and 3 John's Barbershop para po sa larong ito. Amada, power move. Dish of Pascal Ruizo. Binabantayan ni number 19,
Number 12.
possible.
Kunti ka
Pops
na.
up, nope.
Short.
Nakuha ni
Ibang
number
Bravo.
7. Double team. Nakuha ni number 19. Number 7,
Pass to number
19 din.
19. Number 19, attacking the basket.
Atake na parang ito. Okay, yes, Yuri. Isa na lang.
Isa na lang.
What a rally been pushed by Taisir.
Binaba.
Nagrarally na po sila. Sabi nga, ibagsak ang Boss Pau dribblers.
Amada
Amada.
attacking the basket. Wala. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Okay, substitution left. Number 13 in, number 12 out. In between. Good calls. Number 5, silent there. Number 5. Apat ka na. Ah, sige. Amada. Sending the play. Amada attacking the basket. Pass to number 2. Amada is kanya pa rin ang bola. Number 5. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Same ball. 10 to shoot. Time out. Tessa. Seven. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 53 seconds for the fourth and final quarter. Oh, maganda. Isa na lang. Okay, back to the ball game. Pasok tayo, pasok. 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining time para sa ating final quarter.
Balik ka, pre.
Open siya para kay number 5. Wala. Hindi pa rin lumabang. Simple na. Simple. 10 to shoot, ha? 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 18. Yes, sir.
Sukat lahat. Yan yung ganda ka tingnan.
Number 5. Basket yan, sabi na rin. Foul number 5. Number 25. Sabi na siya rin. Itatabla na kaya yung number 25, yung number 5?
Okay, balik po tayo sa lorong punto po. 3 minutes 60 seconds remaining.
Itatabla na kaya? Lista na natin.
3 minutes 60 seconds. Okay, number 5 again.
Iyon
No.
na, si Ma'am Blanc.
Naku, and white ball. Ang sabi ng referee, white ball.
Isa na lang.
White ball, white ball. 79-80. And one play. Nope, sayang.
By foul. Foul number 19.
Foul foul number 19. Densyo. Number 21, shooting for 2.
Number 19, that is your third
The score
personal
right
foul.
now is 3
Warning for penalty.
80.
Teka lang, ha?
Ang unang tira,
Upo
hindi
ka lang
po
doon.
natira.
Upo ka lang. 3 minutes and 8
Second
seconds.
throw, jumpers ready po. Pasok, tabla.
Second position rep.
Tablados po tayo.
Good luck.
Tablados po tayo at 80. 8-all po tayo, tablados. Number 18, power move against Densyo, malakas. Nakuha ni, op! Doon na, stepping on the line. Tabla po tayo ha, 80 po, 80, tablados 80 po tayo mga kabayan. 8-all po tayo, 80-all, 80-all. Tablados 80 po tayo.
2 minutes and 50 seconds.
2 minutes 50 seconds remaining.
14 to shoot.
John Jude is watching. Shoutout Jackie manager ng Taisir. Sabi ni Vin.
Wala.
Number 5.
Amada, pinapawang mo.
Amada.
Number 8.
Amada. 2
12 to
minutes.
shoot.
2 minutes 25 seconds remaining. Condesto, power move. Ayun. And same ball. Same ball, same ball, same ball. Sir.
Tumawa sa rin. 14 shot clock tayo.
Bondesto, power move again. And foul sa ilalim. Foul sa baba.
Foul number 21.
Foul number 21.
Number 21, third personal
Number
foul.
21, penalty.
Warning for penalty.
One for
Voting, warning for penalty.
One for
Voting.
penalty. Kami po, ang laro po is between Janas Gumitio and 3 John's Barbershop. Magandaan na po kayo, mag-warm up na po kayo. It's a foul called.
Foul number 7.
Foul number 7.
Number 7, fourth personal foul. Substitution rep.
And this free is brought by
Number
Doha
7, warning.
Qatar Apparel. Aldeber po sa Alsace area in Doha. Hook of Qatar. And first shot, no.
Wala.
Hindi po hindi po pumasok ang first shot ni Mr. Bondesto.
Good luck tayo, good luck.
Second free throw. Jumpers ready.
Ganda ng laban.
2 minutes 9 seconds. Tablados po tayo sa 80. Pasok ba yan? Hindi.
Wala pa rin.
Both teams na bus and it's handball situation. Who's ball rep? Okay, sabi ng committee sa...
Buspaw tayo, buspaw. Wait. Wala tayo na first jump ball. P, tayo. Dito tayo.
Okay,
Dito
sabi
tayo, dito
na...
tayo.
Okay, it's blue ball. Blue ball. Next handball situation will be for white. 23. Number 8. Scaling the defense. Tumatake. Bishop pass. Palpal. Nice block ni Vidal.
Last 2
2 minutes remaining. Amada.
seconds.
Bishop pass kay 23. Bang! Wow, may pamatay sunog. Pagunasan. Kenzo, nawala ang bola. Amada. Number 8. Lost the ball.
One minute and 30 seconds. Tabi natin.
1 minute 30 seconds remaining. Okay, ito na po tayo sa Amada for the inbound. Lost the ball. Still nope, not completed. And Amada driving, power moves. Nakapeke, pasok ang bola.
Basket dyan, para kay Amada. Time out!
Time out called by Taisir.
Test yan. Okay, 14 shot clock tayo ha. 14 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, 1 minute 80 seconds remaining. The score is 80-85. Laman po ang Bospao Drillers ng 5. Yan po ang score so far po. Nag-rally po.
Okay, 14 seconds shot clock tayo. 14,
Nagkaroon po
14.
tayo ng rally po, ng matinding rally po. Kaya nakabalik po ang Taisir po. In fact, lumamang pa nga po sila pero nagbawi po kagad ang Bospao Dribblers, ang Kalamangan. Kaya ito po tayo yun. 80-85 ang score po natin yun. Mahaba pa yan. Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Pass to number 21.
Number 81. 21 to number
Pass to
19.
Number 19.
Driving. Wrap pass. Nope, it's foul. It's a foul. It's a foul. It's a foul.
Panik contact tayo. Number 23.
Number 21 shooting for 2. 80-85 must shoot free throws para kay Dencio to keep them in play. No! Kakasabi ko pa lang. Second throw, jumpers ready.
Kailangan.
Mas second throw, jumpers ready po ni Dencio. Pasok. Okay, 4-point lead. Amada, may tangan ng bola.
1 minute and 5 seconds remaining time. For the fourth and final quarter. 1 minute.
Amada. Number 5, binabantayan din si Amada. And si Bondesto. Wrap pass, nakuha ni Number 23. Bang! Sige!
Siyempre. Attacking the basket. Wala.
Oh!
Foul number 7. Number 7. Graduate.
Foul number 7.
Penalty tayo,
Graduate. Penalty situation, Taisir team. Tough break sa Taisir Club. May dagger 3-point. Pinakawalang kagad ang Bospao bowlers. Pops up si Bondesto. Nope. Second throw, jumpers ready. 6-point lead. They want to extend it to 7-point lead at least. To have an insurance. Wala pareho. Rebound. Number 19.
Pass to 03.
Number 5. Stolen away.
Blocking foul yan.
Blocking foul. Amada.
Number 5.
Amada, graduate also. Fifth personal foul, graduate.
Nice statement. 33 seconds.
Fifth personal foul, graduate po si Amada. And shooting for 2 po si number 5 ng Taisir. The score is 81-87. First shot, pasok. 82-87.
5 na lang.
Don't get up from my house, we're wearing it. Sige. Nope. Okay, lamang na 5. Dencio called for a foul.
Foul number 21.
Foul number 21. Balik muli po tayo sa kabila naman para for the free throws.
Wag naman.
30 seconds.
30 seconds left. Isa pa.
Okay, 82-87, 30 seconds remaining. Number 15 shooting for 2. It's pasok.
Good.
Second throw, jumpers ready kay Dencio.
Basket.
Okay, basket.
Tayo.
And time out. Last time out called by Taisir.
Ito ang ating official score. Himala. Okay. Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. 82-89, 7-point lead. As the game progresses, hope begins to dwindle para sa Taisir. 29 seconds remaining. They need for a quick 3 and maybe possible fouls.
Sige na, pasok na tayo. 29 seconds left.
Okay, 29 seconds
Para sa ating
remaining.
final quarter.
Final quarter. 29 seconds remaining. Ito pala yun, no?
Good luck, good team.
Okay, ito na.
Number 5.
Number 5, long 3.
Napakalayo yan.
Nope! And
Same ball tayo.
same ball po tayo, same ball po tayo, same ball, same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. Okay, si RL1 also already watching also, RL1.
0-3. Tama.
And it's...
Points.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, quick for
Number
Kagan.
21. Tan-taradan. Number 21, palit tayo.
Number 21 also graduate Residencio. Number 8 shooting for 2.
Wala.
Okay.
18 seconds left. 18 seconds.
18 seconds remain, laman po ng 5. Number 8, second throw. Okay, basket made, laman po ng 6. Nagmaba din na po sila ngayon, wala na po silang time out. Quick 2. Oy, sayang, hindi po na pumasok.
Foul. Foul number 15. Number 15, apat ka na rin. Penalty.
Penalty situation. Number 5 ng Taisir shooting for 2. Nope!
Sayang.
Second throw, jumpers ready.
Pag pumasok yun, time out natin.
Okay,
Okay, time out!
lamang lang po ng 4 ang Boss Pau dribblers.
26.
Nagtamat po ang Boss Pau dribblers to ensure this game.
Tatlo. Central.
Okay, balik po muli po tayo sa laro po natin. Ito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga namang alamat dito sa Qatar. We're here live right now sa The Arab School in Doha. Arab School
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo.
12 seconds
12
remaining.
seconds remaining. They'll go for 14 seconds shot clock.
Ay, susunod ko. Ready na tayo.
14 seconds shot clock. Bondesto. Okay. 10 seconds. Foul.
0-3. Alam na bakit hindi pinasa, no? Alam na.
Bondesto for 2. Wala. 8 seconds remaining. Second shot. Jumpers ready. 8.
Last throw.
Wala. Rebound di number 5. Walang pinasahan. Okay.
Last
Stay
break.
ready.
5 seconds. 5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. Tao-tao na yan.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Dito sa ilalim. Balik.
Okay, balik po muli. Nasobrang sa pasa.
4 seconds.
4 seconds remaining.
Himala.
Okay, that's it.
Wala na.
Congratulations for winning the game, Bospao
Congratulations.
Dribblers. This is your PLBL Basketball League.
Ano yun? Boss Bondonis.
Dito po ang PLBL Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. And standby po tayo sa second game for the day between Janas Cometeo and 3 Johns Barbershop. We'll see.
Amanda.
Before we go, a word from our sponsors. Simulan po natin yan sa, syempre, Hook Up Qatar, 3 Johns Barbershop, Fashion Culture Sportswear, Imprint Advertising, Pure Market, HV Kicks, Jed Vlogs, PSBQ Basketball League, JPX TV, Vinax Apparel, Qatar Sublimation by Zira Nyada, MC Cargo, MC Cuisine, and last but not least, Kanoypi Vlog. Yan. Standby po tayo sa second game for the day between 3 Johns Barbershop and of course, Janas Cometeo. Maraming salamat po and have a nice day po sa inyo. Thank you po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Best player of the game and also best player and defensive player si Mr. Amada and Mr. Bondet, sir. Pinakaban nyo kami, sir, ah. Ano nangyari, sir, nung huli, nung fourth quarter? Paki-explain naman po, sir.
Grabe yung nag-collapse kami. Pressure kami sa man-to-man defense nila.
Pero shoutout naman sa pumatay. Sinong may dagger na nagdala? Kosiko.
Buti pumasok yung defense niya.
Ayun ang nagbigay ng spark bully sa inyo para makabalik muli sa laro. And how you held up po in yung sa huli po yun? Papanyo sila na ano na? Ika nga, amin itong panalo na to.
After that dagger shot, gumanda yung depensa namin. Kumalma kami, hindi kami nagpa-pressure sa kanila.
Ayun, okay.
Kaya nakuha namin yung panalo.
Kasi, compress ng konti, sir. Okay, shoutout sa mga pamilya, mga loved ones, and also invitahan po sa
Shoutout
sa upcoming.
Dribblers and then Alice.
And also,
Shoutout
Mr. Amada.
sa mga taga Batangas, sa girlfriend ko, sa
Okay.
family ko, and then mga kaibigan ko, sa mga teammate ko. Thank you sa tiwala. Salamat.
Okay, thank you po. And with it po, and this is again, congrats po for me, Bospao Dribblers, for winning the game over ties the basketball.